I hear them coming back around. Hey Sass fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Chrissy and I am the owner of Sugar and Spice Glitter Co. In today's video, I'm going to do a special unboxing of our Rainbow Burst collection. This glitter collection was previously offered exclusively to the members of the Creators Club. If you guys have been following me for a while, then you probably already heard of the Creators Club. You know all about the Creators Club, but if you're new here and you want more information, definitely check the description down below for more info on what the Creators Club is all about, how you can gain access, and what is included with all of that access. So now that the Creators Club members have already got their hands on this beautiful collection, I wanted to show you guys all the colors that are included in the collection, put it up on the website, and give you guys the opportunity to snag it up yourself. As you guys know, we are going fully exclusive on the website as of March 31st, so opportunities like this are going to be super limited. But to kind of close out the last month being open to everyone, I wanted to make a few bundles available to you guys on the website, especially for my first timers who have never tested out our products before and are not really sure if they want to join us in the Creators Club. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in, show you guys all of the colors, and give you all a close-up look. We have Strawberry Burst, Sunshine Burst, Lemon Burst, Lime Burst, Blue Raz Burst, Grape Burst. There's a lot of noise going outside, so let's go ahead and just dive on in and give you all a closer look at the collection. So I hope you guys really enjoyed getting a closer look at this limited collection. Once this video is out, if you're watching it right now, that means that the collection is available on the website. But do be sure to know that this is a limited collection. So depending on when you're watching it will determine whether or not we still have any stock on the website. You can find the link to our website down below as well. It is sugarandspiceglitter.com. You'll be able to find these colors under our bundle and boxes category. That is it for today's video. I will see you guys next time. If you like this type of video, please give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below what color was your favorite from this collection. And if you're new to my channel and you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. We do tons of different videos on this channel, behind the scene vlogs, glitter unboxings, and we also have a bunch of Tumblr tutorials coming up as well. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye!